Romania has just reached a major milestone in its aviation capabilities. On January 13, 2025, the integration of the German IRIS-T air-to-air missile into the Romanian IAR 99SM aircraft was announced. This is a huge step forward for Romania's Air Force modernization, demonstrating the country's commitment to advancing both training and operational capabilities. The IAR 99SM is an upgraded version of Romania's domestically built IAR 99, which first took flight in 1985. Originally designed as a jet trainer and light attack aircraft, the IAR 99 has been constantly evolving to meet the demands of modern aviation. The new upgrades aim to enhance the aircraft's ability to prepare Romanian pilots for advanced fighter jets like the F-16 and F-35, while retaining essential roles in close air support and low-speed air target engagement. The modernization program, which began in 2020, is designed to keep the IAR 99SM in line with NATO standards. The aircraft now includes advanced avionics such as head-up displays, multifunctional displays, and embedded virtual avionics systems. These upgrades are supplied by Elbit Systems, a key player in modern military aviation technology. This will extend the operational life of the IAR 99SM by 10 to 15 years. The most significant upgrade, however, is the integration of the IRIS-T air-to-air missile. This short-range missile, developed by a European collaboration, is known for its advanced infrared seeker and thrust vector control, which makes it highly effective in engaging fast-moving, agile targets. With a maximum range of 25 kilometers and a top speed of Mach 3, the IRIS-T missile dramatically enhances the IAR 99SM's combat capabilities, making it a versatile platform for both training and operational missions. Romania's aviation modernization doesn't stop at missile integration. The country is also working on developing its own drone technologies, with a focus on locally produced optoelectronic equipment and computer systems. This effort is supported by the INCAS Institute in Bucharest, which is helping create a Romanian-designed drone prototype. The IAR 99's evolution into the IAR 99SM marks a turning point in Romania's defense strategy. With its new missile integration, enhanced avionics, and continued modernization, the IAR 99SM is now ready to play a crucial role in both pilot training and air combat. Romania is taking its place as a forward-thinking member of NATO, with a strong, adaptable air force prepared for the challenges of modern warfare. This exciting development showcases Romania's ongoing commitment to strengthening its defense capabilities and its growing role in European and NATO defense efforts. Stay tuned for more updates as Romania's Air Force continues to evolve and innovate.